Hi Harrison, I'm Chef Amick.
And I'm Chef Shane.
And this week on Dorm Room Cooking, we will be making peanut butter deluxe sandwiches.
Alright, first step, grab your bread.
And then, once you get your bread out, you add some peanut butter.
Alright, next step, you can put your marshmallow cream.
Or your apple butter. And then you can put some brown sugar on there. I always like a little bit of granola.
And of course, this wouldn't be dorm cooking without cooking these in the microwave.
We'll put these in here for about 15 seconds.
That's Aaron's.
Thank you. This one is one that we prepared for our special guest.
That's yours.
This is mine. So let's get our special guest in here to enjoy this with us. Come on in, buddy.
How you guys doing?
Oh,
Mr.
great.
Aaron Yachts, here you go.
Alright.
Alright, let's dig in.
I think the food back in the day was better.
Not too bad.
Not too good either. So this is this week's edition of Dorm Room Cooking. Have a good week, Harrison.
Thanks, Harrison.
Yeah, Harrison. Oh, man.
I just signed off for you guys.
Ah,
Good
good.
job.